So, you might be wondering why are there some limitations on your hashtags here on TikTok? So, the thing with this one is, as you can see here now, I'm trying to post something here, and currently I have 5 hashtags added in my post. And if you click on hashtags again, you may get this pop up here that says maximum 5 hashtags. Well, the thing with TikTok here, like what I said before, they've added this feature which limits the hashtags that you can add into your TikTok post, which is a bummer here. Now, this is not a bug. This is a specific feature that they added, which is something that we cannot go around. But just in case, in some regions, they may not have implemented this. So if you're having issues like adding 5 hashtags, or you can only like add 4 hashtags, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first is first is you may want to clear your cache. So you want to exit TikTok here, press and hold on TikTok, click on the eye icon that you see here, and click on the clear data you see at the bottom right of your screen, and click on clear all data, or sorry, clear data, click on clear cache, and okay. Once you've done that, go and open up TikTok and see if that solves the issue. And the following thing that you can try doing here is you may want to make sure that the app is fully updated. So you want to go to search, just search for TikTok. And from here, if you do see any update, go ahead and just click on update and see if that helps. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.